Okay, this is your homework. We did this in number 1 in class. And number 3, number 4 goes right here because you're explaining number 3. Tate is ordering flour for her bakery. Baker Supplies charges 30 cents per pound and a $10 delivery fee, and means plus. Okay, so 30 cents is 0.3. You don't have to put the 0. Per pound, per is each or an, so it's times the number of pounds plus a $10 delivery fee plus $10. Okay? Alright, let's see. That's Baker. Then, because after that they talk about best flour. Baker's Supplies charges a 30 cents per pound plus a $10 fee. That's equal what they're gonna cost, their total cost. C, what it's gonna cost you. So P equals the number of pounds, and C equals to it says define each variable, total cost. Because they're charging. Okay, the next person is Best Flour. Charges 80 cents per pound. Okay, so, oops. 80 cents, 0.8, 0, you don't have to put a 0, per pound times P. But delivery is free plus 0, because it's free. Oh no, I hope this doesn't come on that soon. Anyways, epic failure if that was the case. And again, 80 cents per pound, 0.8x P for pound, plus free delivery, which is $0. Same thing as free. So when you write this, you put best flour is 0.8 per pound times P, but delivery is free, where this delivery is $10 here. Delivery is free, so plus $0 in delivery, or you just write that. That's the same thing as plus 0 equals to total cost. And these are the same as that. Okay, below are graphs of question 3. Explain the graph. Okay, let's explain before this break-even point. Break-even point is it's called break-even because both companies charge evenly. This is break-even point. It's called a solution too later on, you'll see. Okay. Anyways, before the break-even, look. Best Flour for 0 pound, they charge you $0. Where Baker's at 0 pounds, they charge you about $10. They charge you $10. And let's say 6 pounds, this person charge you $5, and this person charge you 6 pounds, almost $12, probably $11.50 or something like that. So in every turn before the break-even point, Best Flour before, let's say, how many pounds is that? About 20 pounds, around 20 pounds. 20 pounds and 60 cost that both companies will charge you about $16. Okay, so the problem goes. Let's see. Before the break-even point, we can write that before the break-even point, it is cheaper to use best flour. Because best flour charge less. For example, best flour charge less. For example, at 6 pounds, charge less. For example, at 6 pounds, best flour charge how many dollars? About $5. While Baker charge almost $12. While Baker charge $12. About $12. I should use the word about. Okay. At break-even point, at, let's say, that's 20, right? At 20 pound for $16, both Baker at 16, the break-even point, this word is very important. Both company charge $16 for 20 pounds. Okay, they charge the same, basically. Somehow say that. But use numbers. We're in math. Okay, don't just say they charge the same. Look at they both company charge this much. Be specific. Okay, after the break-even point, after the break-even point, it is cheaper. So right here, it's cheaper to use this company, which is Baker Supply. It is cheaper to use Baker because its graph is below its graph is below best flour. Its graph is below best flour. Okay. Next one. Franklin is buying fabric for the same material. Sawright charges $4 per yard. Aha. That's 4. Okay. Sawright. Sawright. And charge $4 per pound per yard. Y is the number. Y equals to the number of yard per yard, and an initial convenience fee of $5. It's just a fee here. There's no and or per. So you just put and means plus the $5. Stitch plus, okay, we got stitch plus. We'll just say stitch. Plus charge a fee of $6 per yard. 6y, 6 times the number yard. Plus a $2 convenient fee, plus a $2, and a $2 convenient fee, that's a plus. Write an equation for the total cost. So we'll put C for total cost. Okay, so C equals to total cost. Okay, so now you explain this. What happens before? Which company would you use before? If you need to, highlight it. The break-even point, you would say you would use Stitch Plus because it's cheaper. Look, one length in yards, 1 yard, they charge $8 about, where the other company charged $9, which is Sawright. But after the 1 yard, it's best to use, if you wanted 2 yards, use Sawright, because they are a little bit cheaper based on the graph. Now at the break-even point, looks like they're both the same, so this is about 1, let's say 1.5, 0.5, let's keep it easy. Charge you probably $10. 1.5 pounds, both company charge $10. 1.5 yards, sorry. 1.5 yard, both company charge you $10. And then after 1.5, if you want 2 yards or more, it is best to use Sawright because they're cheaper. The graph is below the other one. Okay? That's what you can explain. Review. Okay. I'm going to stop this and upload 1 through 6. Or, yeah. So it won't be too much.